I will share with you on how and when to deploy 8D to get a manufacturing quality problem solved in this video. 8D is known as an effective systematic approach to eliminate quality or manufacturing problem. There are times when problems do not get solved even we have deployed 8D with proper corrective and preventive action to close the case. This could be due to 8D is not the correct tools to use for those situations. By the end of this video, you will learn about manufacturing process and its source of variation, deploying 8D correctly for certain kind of problem to ensure that the problems are eliminated. Have you ever faced this kind of situation where you never get a quality issue closed and the problem keeps on repeating even though there are many corrective actions in place? One of the main reasons could be there's no real understanding on the problem itself and whether 8D is a suitable approach to get the problem solved. An effective 8D should get the problem solved without reoccurrence from the same root cause. In order to understand when to deploy 8D, we must first start by understanding the manufacturing process and its variation. Let's get to know our friend, the manufacturing process, better. Every item that you see around you, from the chair you're sitting to most food that you are eating, comes from a manufacturing process. Manufacturing process is a transformation of a raw material to the end goods for the consumer market. In the modern day, raw materials sourced from Mother Earth will go through a series of manufacturing process in different entities before it reaches the customers. All manufacturing process inputs will have materials as a key process inputs meant that needs to work on the manufacturing process to transform the material. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. The machine that helps to transform the material, the method that is used to transform, and also the measurement process that measures the products or the material as well, and the environment is also another process input which is important for those products that are sensitive to environmental changes. Each of the process input that we see here, the man-machine methods material measure, will have some kind of a variations. There are two types of process input variation which impact the process output, the end product, in a different way. Here, we shall look at the first type of variations, which is known as common cause variations or natural variations itself. This type of common cause variations are actually inherent to the process, and also it is a very small variations such as material. There will be a small acceptable variations from batch to batch. Machine, there could be a natural drift of shift from time to time, which is acceptable. And the man that operates within the variations by following the methods, there could be a subtle differences the measurement process, there is also an acceptable range of variations. The second type of variation is known as special cost variations or assignable cost variations. This happens when something unexpected change in one or two of the process inputs. It could be that meant that suddenly there is an untrained operators, and the machine, it could have used a different type of unqualified machines for the product itself, and the methods, there could be changes in the SOP, or there are no work instruction that has been approved.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Unlock your potential as an expert in leading 8D teams to solve quality issues by enrolling in this Expert in 8D Problem Solving course. This comprehensive course will equip you with the expertise in all 8D phases, enabling you to effectively lead cross-functional teams and contribute to each phase with confidence. With real-life examples, you will gain an in-depth understanding of the dynamics behind each phase and be able to apply them to solve complex problems. Impress interviewers with your knowledge by using our case studies to answer questions. How do you use 8D to solve a quality issue? Enroll now and become a problem-solving pro to advance in your career.
Before it is used in the manufacturing line, the material itself, there could be new batch of material, or the suppliers is giving materials that comes with a special cost variations, or there could be also using new vendor that is not qualified, and the measurement process, the environment which is out of control. All these variations are actually unpredictable and they are not stable over time. Therefore, you will also produce an output with special cost variations that there could be spikes or changes that is not predictable. Special costs can be eliminated and must be eliminated, otherwise it will have an abnormal high non-compliance to the end product. It can be eliminated through a systematic approach of 8-discipline problem solving, which starts from describe and analyze the problem, identify its root cause, establish action plan to eliminate root cause, and preventive action to prevent the problem from occurring. For common cause problem, it cannot be eliminated under normal circumstances and should only be controlled as it is part of the nature. For example, air particle which cause reject. It is impossible to have zero particle unless the part is produced under vacuum. When 8D is used in common cause problem, you will see a problem of the repeating issue where the 8D cannot be closed due to the root cause cannot be eliminated. 8D is not a suitable approach for a common cause problem. Common cause variation can only be reduced using a Six Sigma approach. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in my Expert in 8D Problem Solving course, which will level up your skills in solving quality problems. Do not forget to subscribe to these channels in order not to miss any potential special offer I have, such as giving away free courses.